Here's how you can make Montreal-style bagels. I don't want to drive 5 hours for a bagel, so luckily there's a spot in Toronto that makes it fresh.
I learned in Montreal, bagel shop. I worked for there 3 years. Yeah, same, 100%.
Okay, nice.
My buddy Adnan is gonna mix eggs, yeast, oil, sugar, malt, gluten, water, and a whole bunch of flour to make the dough. He'll then toss all of this dough onto his cutting board and begin making the shapes for the actual bagels.
Roll, and then you slide it like that, and then you cut it like that, and then you push it hard.
How many bagels are you able to make in 1 hour?
In 1 hour, I can make probably like 400 bagels.
Holy.
Also, I've never seen this style of bagel before. I believe it's called a twister, where it's basically 3 ropes of dough intertwined with each other. It probably makes the prettiest bagel I've ever seen.
Okay, so let's see if I can try making it myself. How's this one?
It's better. You need more practice. Honey water.
So a key difference is they actually boil it in honey water.
When it's come up, that's when they're ready to put the ingredient on.
This also gives it a nice shiny appearance.
This is a maple and ash we use for that, special for the wood fire.
Lastly, before they go into the oven, you coat it with whatever seeds you like.
5 minutes, and then you flip it from the boat, and the boat come out, and then you put the next batch. 15 to 20 minutes to get ready the bagels.
Now you have to eat this fresh, and for me the best way is with smoked salmon.
How come the people at Tim Hortons never put enough cream cheese on those?
They don't put it. They don't. Add some smoked salmon, onion, tomato, capers, black pepper on.
And that's pretty much it.